Hello students, in this session I will explain you how to log in into your Gmail account and to send an email to your friends and to read an email, and also I will explain you how to attach a file to your email. When you open your computer, either you have to click on Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. So I will use Google Chrome for now. I'm just going to click on this Google Chrome. It comes on the screen. And now you have to type here, for example, you have to type here gmail.com. I can see Google, but I'm just making it very easy for you. Just type gmail.com, press enter on the screen, and then it takes you to this email. Or if it doesn't take you Gmail, if it doesn't, then you have to just sign in. Now um, I'm seeing my email address because I regularly log in. If you don't see your email address, you can click on use another account, and here I'm just going to delete it, students, just to make your life easy. And then here you enter your email address, Leela Kudlu. This is my email address. You don't have to you write your email address. You do not have to type at gmail.com. The reason is you're already in Gmail website. If you're in a yahoo.com web page, first you go into yahoo.com, then sign in, then just type your email address. Even if you type at gmail.com, no problem. But if it is already in Gmail, I'm already opened up a Gmail web page, I don't have to type at gmail.com. And then please, then next, and otherwise it will ask you to enter the password. Now here you have to type your password. Please students, you have to be very careful with your password. Don't share your password with anyone. If it is uppercase, type uppercase. If it is lowercase, type lowercase. But you have to be very careful when you're typing your password. And then you click on next. If you're okay, then if oh, forgot password. See what I've done. Let me see what is going on. Even sometimes even mine will not go through. So yes, hopefully this will go. Otherwise we have to click on forgot password, retrieve the password. Now you see my Gmail is loading, or my email is loading. Gmail is nothing but email from Google, that's called Gmail. Now this is my inbox. This is my inbox where I have received all this email. I just click on the email, I open it, and I reply to it. I read the email. For example, this is what I want to see. I will open it, I'll click on it, I will read my email. That's what it is. But if you want to write an email to your friend, then where do you click? You click on compose. Once we move the mouse, place it on compose. Now 2 is the place where you type email address of your friend or family, anyone. For example, I'm just going to write my husband's email here at gmail.com, exactly the way it is. No spelling mistake, no space in between. Students, when you get email ID from your friend, you have to be very careful, or when you give your email ID to your friend, you have to be very careful not to make any spelling mistake, not to make any errors. Now this is one email that I have sent. If I want to write another email address, I can write another email address leaving a space, exactly as it is. So at yahoo.com, this is at yahoo.com, one is for gmail.com. So I'm just going to find it. See, I have two email addresses, at gmail.com one, and the other one is at yahoo.com. No problem, you can add more email addresses, one or more. The subject is a line where I will type hello, how are you, or depending on the context, what are you writing, what is that email message is about, just one or two words. I see sometimes students writing everything in their subject line. No students, please don't do that. This is just a subject. Now the whole message is going here. Hi, how are you doing? All these things goes in this big box. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So it just comes up, just press tab, it will go or if not, you can just type your message, blah blah blah, whatever you want to type it in there, and then you click on send. Send is an option where you just click on send. So send is just click on send. The email is sent to the other person. Okay, now I'm just going to explain one more time with the attachment compose. Where do I go? I click on compose. This is the box I get, this is the message I get, and 2 is the place you write the email address of the other person whom you are sending an email to. Subject is hi, hello, how are you doing, or leave request, or depending on what the email is about, application reference or leave reference if you are applying for leave, or if you're inquiring about something, reference number of that, and so on. I'm just writing hi. I'm just going to please uh, find the attached document. Find the attached document. So now what happens when you find attached document, you see this paperclip symbol here. When you click on a paperclip symbol, it will take you to the place where you have your documents saved. You have to be very careful when the documents are saved, where it is saved, because computer is like a house where different rooms are there. So in every room different things are kept. Kitchen things are there, bedroom things are there, bathroom things are there. Just like that, you see here in the under pictures you can find, if you can save your pictures. Under music you can have your music. Under documents you can have your documents if many people are working. So you must be very careful where you have saved your document, and then a way to access it. It takes a little time for you to understand, but once you understand, it's very easy. Now I'm just double clicking on this file. I'll just double click on that file to attach a document. And once again, see, this is turned blue. CV Leela has turned blue. I'll show one more time. I'm just going to click on that attach file symbol again. It will take you to, it will take me to this window where I can access files. From here, choose a file that you want to attach. For example, I'll choose extended activity. I will just double click on it. You see that file is attached. Once it turns blue, all you have to do is then you just click on send. That's what you do. Click on send. The file is sent to the other person. Okay, if you have done everything correctly, if you have typed the email address correctly, you will send it to the other person. The file will be sent to the other person. If you haven't typed email address properly, then you might get a message saying mailer daemon failure, mailer daemon failure, or me or something here where it shows your message has not been sent due to some error that you have done, typing mistakes and so on. Under that case, you have to compose an email again. Once it is all done, once you have finished using your email, student, please make sure you sign out. How do you sign out? You see the initial of your email ID, or L is my initial. I just click on that. I see the option of sign out. I click on sign out properly. So I have signed out from my email account securely. Okay, this is it. This is how we use login into Gmail, access the Gmail account, and compose an email and attach a file to your email. I'll see you again in my next class. Bye.